rest. Do another little cold start today. It's Monday, 13th, I think. 12th? I don't know. It's Monday. But we're gonna put new terminals on because I'm sick and tired of fighting with the old ones. Here she is. And then we'll give her a little cold start. It's not too cold right now, but we'll start her up anyways. Alright, let's get to it. Alright. Here we go. As you can see, these terminals. Well, that one's not too bad. That one's actually not too bad, but I'm going to change it anyway. This one, as you can see, shit show. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, let's start. Yeah, that's good. We're not going to lengthen them or anything because, you know, that's just too good. There we are. Got the most expensive wrench in the world, Snap-on, too small, too big. Alright. Hold on a second now. Alright. Now we're back. The right size. Yeah. This wire is something special, now I tell you. Can you just come out for a man? Like, what are you doing? Wow. Could it just do it and not? Can you? Yeah. Alright, that's a win. The negative. This one should be easier. Or not. Why would it be easier? There we go. Ta-da! Alright. How do these ones fit? Very loose. How's that one fit? Alright, this might work. With the new one, I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of nasty. So, I'm just going to retwist on her a bit, you know. Man's just going to do this. See that? Beautiful. Alright, let's put it on this guy. She hasn't been tightened up before. You know, we'll try that. See how that works. Alright, that's nicely squished in there. Get some tape. Tape this up so it's nice. Not exposed wires. Oh, look at that fitment. Oh, now we need the world's expensive wrench. This truck's never had tight battery cables. Well, since I owned it. It's a big old chunky negative cable. Oh, she's chunky. There we go. Just throw that bad boy in there, like so. Tighten, tighten, tighten. Well, really? See how that works. Wow, it's gonna turn over like the wind after this. It's gonna be amazing. I'm so tired of coming and twisting on these connections, being lazy. Being lazy costs me more. tight. All right. See how she turns over now, boys. Oh, you can give it a little bit more length for that. All good things. All right, let's try starting it. All right, someone wanted to see this from the open door view. And no gas, no choke. We're just gonna crank her. Find my key. All right, got the key. No pedal. Watch how good it's gonna start. No pedal. Oh, it's kind of swaying in the wind there. Sorry, it's so bouncy. Oh, let's see if I can fix that. There. Sorry for it being so jiggly. I don't know if it's going to do it. Oh, that's super jiggly. All right, let's change focus here. I guess the jiggling's not too bad. I'm gonna have to give it gas to keep it running. Here it goes. No choke, no gas, and it started up. Probably like 4 degrees over. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Till next time. Oh shit, she's idling.